remember, if you push it away from you, when you put your arm out, we're gonna go down. When you pull it toward you, we're gonna go up. Okay?
Okay.
Alright, and remember, it's the fastest ship in the galaxy, so it slows to a stop. You're gonna use that red button, okay?
Okay.
Alrighty. That long haul.
Welcome, my friends, right this way. Nothing to be afraid of yet. Just kidding. All right.
Okay.
For your safety, remain seated and supervise your legs.
So you'll be there. All right.
Wait, my lightsaber.
I'll take it.
All right, crew, push the seatbelt once they're in. Pull the yellow tab.
Where can I put this one?
Pull that yellow tab. And your seatbelt, just pull that yellow strap. Pull that yellow tab.
Sorry, what?
Ready now. Time is money.
Pull it up. All right, guys. Keep your facial coverings on at all times. Good luck.
Okay.
Engineers. Automatic repair engaged.
You see.
Okay, thanks.
Right, pilot. Push the flashing button to take off.
Flashing button.
Pilot on the left. Stick to
Woohoo!
fly right and left. And then pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly out. And push forward to fly out. Gunners, auto weapons engaged. Left pilot, hit the boosters.
Boosters.
Where?
Now let's go get that coaxium.
Yeah,
Right
baby!
pilot, make the jump to light speed.
Jump to light speed.
Yeah!
Okay, where are we at now?
Whoa!
Three. Those heavy ties are protecting the train. Take them out.
Woo!
They've not
Yeah!
come to us. Take evasive action.
Yeah, baby!
Gunners, we need to defend ourselves. Open fire. And then it is. After that train.
After that train.
Pilot brakes.
Brakes, brakes, brakes.
Oh! I don't know what the brakes are!
Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse.
Whoa! Oh!
Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. The power of the ship. Well, I grab the Coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of Coaxium.
Woo!
Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. The cargo is breaking free. Keep shooting. Yes, yes, yes. We got the Coaxium. I am grabbing. You keep after that train. Gunship? Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We've got to get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Boost.
Boost! Boost! Woohoo!
Boosters.
Let's get out of here.
Woohoo! This is awesome!
Your hyperdrive has failed. Pilot, evasive maneuvers.
Watch out!
We're good company. True is right. We cannot let them follow us back to the resistance.
Okay, resistance, we won't let you down!
not going to shoot themselves. Enter the belt. Only 3 left. You did it. Watch out! That's going to leave a mark. Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remotely. You have 2 containers of Coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut, minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon, is... Oh, that was rough.
Another one.
Oh, wait, my friends. I'm afraid we have picked up a hitchhiker. Oh, fine. Scan the exterior of the Falcon for life forms. You see, this happens sometimes when you travel through uncharted regions of the galaxy as much as I do. It is not unusual to find a stray species or 2 clinging to the hull. Nothing, but keep looking. Last thing I want is time for you to go. And don't worry, the payment is on the way. Trust me.
Hey guys, so don't forget any of your cargo. Get out of here before
All right.
you this
That was awesome!
All available techs, we have a relevant
Thank
freighter
you.
that needs immediate
Thank you.
transport back to the maintenance bay.
This is awesome! What?
Scrap metal.
We'll fish on it.